Hi, I'm Sri Lakshmi. I'm a finance professional. I was looking to get my 3 BHK interiors done. For very limited knowledge on the interiors, I was looking for friends and who can help me out and with patiently take me through all latest trends and all. And I came across AD Architects. The founders Akhila and Dilip, right from day one, they've been very patient and helpful, kind of hand-holded throughout the journey, getting the interiors done. While we were designing our wardrobes, they suggested SLIDO for it. I was a little skeptical because I was looking for a 7-feet wardrobe door. It's made of glass, so I was a little skeptical, will it be? SLIDO people, they suggested, they assured me of the quality and the durability, patiently took me through all the designs, and we got around 2 wardrobes customized with the colors as well as wallpapers and everything. So they also explained where there could be issues and they kind of suggested the right ones. So they've been helppful throughout, and finally they delivered a very good quality product and on time. The fitting also was done immediately so that there's no breakage, because being and storing it at home that would cause cracks and all. So but the fitting was done the next day and immediately, so that kind of helped us a lot. Journey with SLIDO also was very good. I would like to thank SLIDO for that. Akhila and Dilip for suggesting SLIDO for us. I recommend SLIDO to everyone. Thank you.